Phone lines are open for you to call in your legal questions to Judge Muriel Robinson. So glad you're here. Thank you for being here and helping out our viewers. We've had a lot of calls already. Let's go to our first one right now. Hi, Rebecca. What is your question for the judge?
I have custody of my sister's child, and she receives SSI, and they can't force her to pay child support due to that. And there's no father on the birth certificate, and the courts are making her pay fees for like drug charges, but they can't force her to pay child support to me. I don't understand that.
Well, sometimes that's the way it is. That SSI always gets in the way. I dealt with it for years. You can't attach it or anything, and so unfortunately, I don't think there's much you can do about that. Now, if she acquires any property, then of course you certainly can petition the court for child support. You might ask the Child Support Enforcement Agency in your county to increase your child support if you've got an order, and to see if she has any assets that would cause the court to set an amount. The only good thing here is that this little child is with you, the aunt.
Yeah, that is a good thing. Rebecca, thank you for calling. We've got another caller here. Let's go to Emma on line 2. Hi, Emma. What's your question today?
Yes, I'm on disability, and I called Social Security to try to get Social Security, part of my ex-husband's Social Security. He is retired, and they're telling me that I have to get all these documents in order to do that, and I have no idea how to do it, and I don't have any money at the end of the month.
Okay.
And
can you advise where she might be able to go?
Well, you might call a Social Security lawyer call the Bar Association to see if there's any Social Security lawyers that do any pro bono work to help you do that. But you do have to get the documentation together. If you were married to him longer than 10 years, you're probably entitled to some kind of payment from his Social Security, if he's drawing it especially. But they're not going to just give it to you unless you get your paperwork together. And so call the Nashville Bar Association to see if there's anybody that will do some pro bono work in your Social Security situation.
All right. Hope that'll help you, Emma. Thanks for calling. Hi, Cynthia. What's your question today?
Okay, my name is Cynthia Smith. I have received part of a special needs trust. They had a lien on it, but now it's over. How long before I get the rest of the special needs trust?
Well, you know that sometimes they have different regulations, so I really would have to look at all your papers to see when it ends. But whoever is the trustee on this, I don't know why you couldn't call them and ask them, because they've got all the information that you need.
All right. Thanks so much for calling. Hi, Susie. What's your question today?
My question is, my son is locked up in a prison that's always on the news and everything. And he had got out. He had served his time, but he violated because of dirty urine. I'm trying to see what I have to do to get him transferred from this prison.
Okay, so conditions are bad.
Yeah, if the conditions are bad, you can talk to the Department of Corrections to see who is the public relations officer that might help you get a transfer, or you can go to your local law enforcement to see, because they put the prisoners there, to see if there's any agency that you go through to have it inspected or to have him transported out. You're going to have to go through probably a tier of positions before you get to the right person.
All right, that's a difficult situation.
It is.
All right, thanks to all of our callers today, and thank you so much for helping our viewers every month. We really appreciate you being here.
I hope it's a help.
All right, Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas to you.
If you didn't get your question answered today, you can go to newschannel5.com. You'll find some resources there that Judge Robinson has given us that may be able to help you out. We are back with that great spa giveaway next.